Hello everyone, this is Luoyang Yujie Industry. Now behind me is our CNC horizontal machining center, just finished assembly and will be delivered to our client soon. And for this machine, the model is 630. The X and Y axis adopt the linear guide rail and the Z axis adopt the hardened rail. The X chip is 1000 millimeters, Y-X chip is also 1000 millimeters, and the Z-X chip is also 1000 millimeters. And this is the rotary table. The rotary table size is 630, and this side is also 630. And the maximum rotary diameter is 1200 millimeters. And this machine we can see there, this is the spindle, and the spindle type is BT50, and the spindle speed can reach to 6000 RPM. And for this machine, it mainly processing some products from the side surface, like the gearbox, and some other products that has higher requirement for the rotary precision. And for this machine, the CNC controller we can see over there, we adopt the Co.Ltd brand, and we can also choose other brand like the Siemens and the Fanuc as per our client requirement. And this machine is a customized model. For this machine, it can be also 2 magazines. This will be according to our client requirement. Thank you.